All right. As always, we have our rule strategies. All right. A partner pair was asked to create a composite figure. The figure they created is shown below. Which best represents the area of the figure? All right. So it looks here, it could be F, 112 square inches, G, 162.2 square inches, H, 61.7 square inches, or J, 37.7 square inches. All right. Now, in this case here, it looks like it has a circle that's been removed, and it's like a rectangle minus two circles, or one circle, but two semicircles. So, I read the word problem. All right. Next, I'm going to highlight the specific question. What are we looking for? All right. Which best represents the area of the figure? All right. So now I'm going to label. All right. I've got the base. And now I've got the height. All right. This is also the diameter. Okay. This is also the diameter. All right. Of the semicircle. So now it's a composite figure. All right. So I'll first find the area of the rectangle or the parallelogram. All right. So base times height. In this case here, the area equals the base times the height. The base is 11 and the height is 6. So 11 times 6, 6 times 1 is 6. 6 times 1 again is 6. So 66 inches squared. All right. That's going to be the area of the rectangle or the parallelogram. Now I find the area of the semicircle. So if 6 is the diameter, all right, I know that the area of a circle is going to be pi times the radius squared. Okay? Now, if you look at the circumference, okay, the circumference is telling us that the diameter is the radius multiplied by 2. See, pi times diameter is the same thing as the radius multiplied by 2, or 2 pi r. So if we have the diameter, and if we know that the diameter is the radius times 2, how can we find the radius? So remember that in the area of a circle, it's pi times radius squared. So let's go back here. So the area, okay, or circle area, I'll draw a parallelogram here to let us know this is the formula for the parallelogram. A circle's area is pi times the radius squared. All right. Now, we just determined that the diameter, all right, we just determined that the diameter is equal to 2 times the radius. So in order for us to figure out what the radius is, we have to do a little bit of algebra. If we divide both sides by 2, we figured out that r is equal to the diameter divided by 2. So the radius is equal to the diameter divided by 2. All right? So in this case here, if the diameter is 6, all right? If the diameter is equal to 6, then the radius is equal to 6 divided by 2, which equals 3. So the area of the circle is equal to pi times 3, which is our radius. We determined that r is equal to 3. All right? The radius r is equal to 3. And then we're going to square this. So what is 3 times 3? Well, 3 times 3 is equal to 9. And so our final step is to do 3.14 multiplied by 9. Okay? 4 times 9 is 36. 9 times 1 plus 3 is 12. Carry the 1. 9 times 3. 9, 18, 27 plus 1 is 28. Okay? Bring our decimal down. So 28.26 inches squared. Now, we're not done yet. In this case here, okay, we're going to have to subtract in this instance. All right? We're going to subtract 28.26 from 66. Okay? So 66, let me move up just a bit so we can see. 66.00 minus 28.26. All right? Borrow from our neighbor, that becomes a 9, a 10, 4, 7, that becomes a 5, that becomes a 7. So 37.74 square inches. Which best, keyword, this means the closest. And it's not going to be F, it won't be G. These are not accurate, not accurate, not accurate. The accurate answer, ladies and gentlemen, is going to be choice J. All right? 37.7 square inches. All right? So now we labeled by boxing our key terms, circling our numbers. We evaluated using our formula chart and using our area formulas, multiplying, and then subtracting right here. We used some division as well. So this is our math operations. That was our evaluation step. And then we selected the correct answer choice, which is answer choice J. All right? Leave me some questions in the comments, and I will see you all in the next video. Thank you for watching.